Okay, I'm having to improvise this because I don't have a tripod, but here's my tools. I found these out on the street, so yeah, because I don't have any lock-picking tools, so and here's the lock. I bought that just to use at work at my last job. I didn't need anything high security. This is a Walmart brand aluminum lock. So I'm going to, I think I used bottom of the keyway tension, yeah. And I'm basically going to, I hope this is the right term, to zip this open. And it's not going as well as it has before. But trust me, oh, and I have no lock picking experience. So this is the only lock I've ever opened. There we had it. Now, hopefully this video came out. Yeah, I should have done this first. Anyway, there's the lock. There's my tensioning tool at the bottom, which is a bent-up paper clip, and it was already bent when I got it. And a bobby pin, both of which of those I found out on the street. So, thank you very much, Panda-Frog, for your Bad 100 challenge.